Hey there, welcome back guys. This video comes highly recommended from one of our viewers who actually came up with the solution for this. Andre, where are ya? Right here. Hold on one second. Let me just scroll down a little bit. Andre Menegel. Basically, and a lot of our viewers have been reaching out to me asking me how to get the controllers to work, because when they go left, the drone goes right, and when they go right, the drone goes left inside the DJI simulator. So anyway, without any further ado, let's get started and get that fixed for you guys. All right, so basically you're gonna have here, and it doesn't matter which version you're using on the liftoff. You can be in liftoff the DJI version, you can be in liftoff regular version. Either way, you're gonna go here into your options, and then you're gonna go into your controls, and then you're gonna click on controller right there, and then wait a little bit depending on your processor. And as you can see for me, right, watch on the screen. If I go left, the drone goes left. If I go right, the drone goes right. If I go up, the drone goes up. And if I go down, the drone goes down. Not everyone is having that experience. So if you're having this trouble, why, I don't know, but here's the solution, thanks to Andre. Fine tune, right? See how on the throttle, watch. If I go invert, now down, see my controller stick is down, but there it's showing as up, so that could be a little confusing. And if I go up, now it's down. See, kind of weird. And let's see what happens if I do this one. If I invert that, this one pretty much stays the same. The yaw doesn't really get funky, so it's just the other one. So let's see if I hit this and then hit there on the background, nothing. But the other one is, see my throttle? See, it's fully engaged. So let's see what happens if we go play. Click yes, we're gonna save the changes. And why it does that, I do not know. But let's see if we can go to race. We'll just fly in the barn for a little bit in the open space. I guess maybe for some people the controller just works better that way. And right here, let it load. It doesn't matter which drone you select, because the throttle and controllers are set from into here, so then you can control any drone. So that's, you have your one up. Let's see what we have here. See? And now we have here, it seems to be working pretty good. Oh, you know what? Probably because I didn't save it. But let's see what we have here. This is good. It's working for me. Let's go back and exit again. Oh no, the drone is spinning out of control. We'll just go to quit, confirm, and then we'll just go to options, and we'll go to controls, and then we'll go here. And here we are, see, it's there, fine tune. Remember, you have to save it. If you don't save it, then nothing's going to happen. So now if I invert it, see down, see my controller, it's down, like, what's happening? And now up is down. So now instead of exiting, let's save it, click OK. This would drive me crazy, literally, because let's see, and now we exit. So now it's going to be stuck, and it's going to be like, please get your throttle in the thrust position. Okay, so we're just going to go to race and go here, let it load, go to the barn, and then let it load. Remember, it doesn't matter which drone. And let's see, initializing straw bale. I'm pretty sure farmers would love that. They can initialize a bale of hay. See, nothing happened. It says drone disarm, move throttle down to arm, but it's already down, which is really weird. All right, so now let's see if I can fly backwards. Let's see. Now it's in the arm position, and it should go up, and then woo, down is up, and then up is down. This is really weird. I'm pretty sure it's there for a reason, because oh wow, it's kind of interesting if you ask me. Whoops. Sort of. Oh wow, what's that smoke? Anyway, so let's put it back. I just can't. So we're gonna quit it, put it back. There's no way I can fly like that. It felt a little bit easy at first, and then I was like, wait, what's happening? Because if you're used to flying a certain way, it's not gonna work. All right, knowing that, moving forward, let's get this baby back in fine tune. See, it's full throttle, invert. See, now it's down. All right. And now we're just going to save it. Make sure that goes there. That goes there. Let's check the other ones. Yeah, we know that's working. Yep. I'm just bringing it back down. Or you could have it go up. You know, vice versa. Let me think. Nah, I kind of like it when the pitch does that. Yeah. All right. Knowing that, moving forward, save it. Click OK. And now we can exit, and we should be able to go. I'm going to choose Hanover. I like Hanover because I'm pretty good there. Because there are those of us who can fly well above ground in manual mode, and there are those of us who fly above ground, and they thought about that for the folks who like to fly higher up, more comfortably without crashing. Because you know, for me, when I fly too low, it's just really hard to get the bearings, and I tend to basically just crash. Try that again. And once it starts, it takes off. It takes time. You really have to put the hours into the simulator. And if you haven't flown in a while, these skills will transpose into the real world. So again, if you haven't flown in a while, put the time in the simulator before you go out and fly your drone. Because what you do in here is going to be simulated in the real world. And if you crash, at least the way I'm flying here is the way I'm going to fly when I go outside. So knowing that, moving forward, if it's been a while, just get back in here, spend maybe a day or two if you have the time, or a couple hours. It doesn't have to be a day. You know, know your comfort level. And when you're ready to go out, you're ready to go out. You know, I would say do 3 laps in here without crashing before you go outside. And then, you know, hold on. Let me just focus. Whoops. Yeah, that's the last checkpoint, but I'm going to just want to fly around for a little bit. Check it out over here, see what it's like. Yeah, so again, do a couple of laps in here before you go outside, and once you're comfortable, you know, then do it. I've never been around here before, so it's really cool. As you can see, we're in manual mode. Wow, this is really nice. Oh wow, I've never been there. It's kind of neat. You can explore the hangar. Sometimes it tells you to turn back, like you've reached a point of no return. You're not supposed to be in here, where the app actually turns into a Cairn. Oh wow, you should be able to explore. Oh, you know, I can't see right on the note, right when I said you should be able to explore. So, sorry, I missed the last checkpoint, but that's okay. As you can see, I can fly in manual mode, but you know, if it's been a while, you're gonna crash, and you just want to see where I can go. But in the real world, there are no limits. So if you're flying in the real world and you start going that way, you better know how to turn back, because here in the simulator, it just basically tells you to turn back before it's too late. I just have never explored. And again, you know, not everyone is good at flying low to the ground, like, you know, down below, like down here, and flying through things like, oh, even though I flew through it, it's turned back now. You know, some people just do well flying above the ground, right? Like just way up. Time won't start unless you go through the checkpoint. But it's too bad you can't go. Like, let me see if I can. See? Go in there. Well, oh, there was like a little gate thing, and it's hard to. You have to turn the drone back before the game's over. Otherwise, you stay upside down for too long. Turtle mode doesn't really work too well. Let's get the timer going. Let me see what's down there. There's like a little arboretum over there. Let's see if we can go to the arboretum, or whatever it's called, the dome. See? Really cool, like a little botanical gardens type thing. It's nice. And, you know, explore. Don't just, you know, do the checkpoints. You could do the checkpoints like that one over there. Let's see if we can get that one. You know, it's good practice. See, we got it, and then it activates the one behind it, and then you can get the other checkpoint once your controllers are correct. I must drag. Oh wow, there's something over there. I haven't seen that. Look at that over there. Oh no, I think I've been there, but I've never seen it from the other direction. And over here, that little dome thingy. Oh, it's really cool. See if I can fly through that. There are some guys who could do this. I've seen them fly through the windmill, right? They go through it while it's turning. It's just insane. I don't know if I could do it. I know I could do a flip. Oh, look, the guys are over there. There go the other drone guys. See if I can go up. Woo. And then you have to know your bearings, right? You have to do it really fast. And I think there's some settings, Javier, one of the other drone pilots in New York, has these configurations for your DJI. I bought it too, so you can, when you flip, it happens like this in the simulator, and then you have like a real experience, and you can just grasp your bearings. See if we can get that checkpoint. Whoa! Whoops! Maybe we activated the other one, and then let's see if we can get the other checkpoint. Whoops! See if we got it, and then go up. I always wanted to see if I could dive a building though, so let's see. Hold on. Let's go back. This one. This is going to be tricky. This takes practice, but I'm not there yet. I just always wanted to try. I think in Abu Dhabi, whatever it's called, one of the other parts of the simulator. There we go. Ooh, something like that. But do it in front of the building. Let me see if I can do it again. Let's see if I could. Some guys can dive up. Nah. Oh yeah, there we go. What's happening? Oh, there goes my drone. I gotta start soldering again. Alright, and that's it. Anyway, I hope this video helped you in better understanding how to invert your controller so that up is up and down is down and up is not down and down is not up for your DJI simulation experience. And if you have any comments or questions, feel free to leave them down below, or ideas for other videos. Remember to like and subscribe, and I'll see you all next time.